Oh, we got a package? Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, it's from Varusteleka. Oh, wait a minute, what's this tag say? Received damaged? Oh, well, might as well open it now. Careful, careful. Alright, let's compare this against the packing list here. As you know, Varusteleka puts their packing list on the outside, just so you know. And it looks like we'll go through this in no particular order. Anyways, welcome back. This is from Varusteleka in Finland, and looks like based on his customs declaration it went through Great Britain. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so looks like right off the top we have Kunin, Watts and Stone 2007 Hat Combat Tropical Disruptively Patterned. So DPM comes with strap through the grommets, metal grommets right there. We do have a little label and not much else. So that's a few of those. Another one. Nice. And they all pretty much look the same. I think it's the same number on the inside. 1021 5765. 5765. Okay, so one of these is actually different. Alright, see what else we got here. Trying to find the similar items. Looks like we got 3. I believe these are Mil-Tec based on the packing list and recognizing the labels here. These are Boonie Hats in Flecktarn pattern. Let's see that. It's not rainproof. Probably resistant. It does have a little bit of stiffness to it. Their usual big labels there. Plain on that side. Try to flatten that out. And of course price tag from the branding. Alright, so it's one of those. Got the extra loops around. That's one. This one's very similar. A little difference there. The cord is where they've attached the price taggy thingy. It's got the leather stopper on there. Pretty similar patterns. So this Flecktarn looks like it has the kind of a brownish olive. I don't know if you can see that. And kind of a coppery brown. And this looks kind of a gray, and then a very dark green. It's not quite black. It's really dark green here. This one, though, has black on it, though. I may not have been looking at all the spots in there. Oh, yeah, there's black on this one, too. So, and this one, the third one, pretty much the same. Just gloss over the details there. Make sure everything's fine with it. Looks pretty good. Not like a big hole in the middle. It's good stuff. All right, let's keep moving. Okay, so what do we got here? These are Flecktarn. Sorry, take him out of view. Flecktarn Bundeswehr Field Cap Cold Weather. So I'll just hold on to one right now. Velcro on the top. And they come down. And you got a little neck flap there for the back of your head. Brim. It's kind of flexible. I don't know if it'll hold the shape. And on the inside, label on there. Bring it up closer. Inside lining, synthetic fur. Getting the Velcro there. Flecktarn on the inner lining. I wouldn't say this is truly reversible, but I guess you could work with it that way if you had to, but there's really no reason to. And it's kind of a baseball cap shape, rounded and smooth on the top. So you can see it actually meets right there in the middle. So on the inside, you don't see that. It's just one seam across the gray. So we got one of those, two of those, three of those. Alright, moving along. Let's see what else we got here. We have... Here's where it gets a little tricky. Okay, here we go. Helps it has a tag in it. This should be the Bundeswehr Field Cap Cold Weather Olive. So you can see the greenish there. Oh, this one's also Velcro. Interesting. MFH. Marked down to a 59. Might have shrunk, huh? And somebody caught it. Good on them, thank you. Just a little bit of fluff. And one more label right there. Nice. Folds down. Across the top, smooth. And on the inside, you don't see any of that. It's just one seam across there. Okay, so we got one of those, two of those. Hang on a second. Yeah, this one, okay, this one's different. So let's try to get these together here. One of those. This is the same type. Any difference on the labels? This one has been marked this way. Velcro. I don't really see anything else on there. Those smaller tags. And this should be the third one. Just take a look at the tag real quick. Looks like there was a price tag here at some point. Velcro. Alright. So that means these ones are the Austrian field cap winter models. So it does have around on there. Looks like a number was on there at some point. Pretty cool. These are snaps. Gently do that. You can see condition of the snap there. It's definitely been snapped around. And then there's side snaps here too. You can see that there. There's all sorts of additional snaps around. I'm trying to get too confused here. Okay, so that's how long it actually can dangle down to. So there's multiple options on being able to wear this model. There's one snap point. Looks like you can actually bind this up here and then fold this over to here, and then this can actually come down on top of that like this. Is that right? Am I doing this right? Am I overthinking this? And then we have this there. I might be overthinking this. Well, we get to play with that for a bit. We also have a strap that goes across the front, if I do this correctly. So again, kind of how that is. Then I think we can bring this up like even like this. Ah, now you're thinking, Lincoln. I don't know, it's kind of gaudy. I think it actually does stay bound under here. Like so. That makes more sense. See how this side is. Yeah. So again, it drapes down that far. Snap it there initially. Snap. See, I wonder about this snap point right there. Ah. Aha. Aha. Nice. Now I see how they did this. That's pretty cool, huh? Alright, so now that I've got it all tied up on that, let's take another one, look at the inside. So, this one has that. It's very shiny. It's just basically the care instructions. Material. Nothing really else on the inside. Oh, you can actually revert. Well, not really, not with the label there. Make sure this one, what's on the inside of this one? Similar, yeah. And the third one, same dealio. This one actually has something there. You can see it's very faint, but there are markings stamped onto this one. Give you a look, but I'm not sure you can actually see that. I can't even see it here properly. I think it's upside down. Yeah, it's very faint. Do the others have them? I don't see it. I'm not seeing it. Nope. Okay, getting near the end here. We got all the hats. There might be actually items that don't show up on the packing list, but I do remember ordering them. Here's where it gets a little dicey then. This looks like a drum mag pouch. It's like Chinese design. I'm sure somebody out there will be able to comment on there and say, "Whoa, I know what I know. Looks like that might be very faint on the print there. I think that means 1979 and 7.62. So this is probably a 7.62 drum mag. Haha, clever, huh? Single stitching. This is very thick right there, though, so he did that right. And the typical wooden tie-down flaps. Simple but effective, as they say. Okay, next. What else we got? Whoa. It's a cummerbund. No, it isn't. It's a rifle case. Again, 7.62. Yada, yada, yada. Let's have a look at that. Neat. And get to the very last thing. This is an MG3 ammo can. It's seen better days, but always wanted to pick up another one of these. So these have the handle thing that goes up, and let's see, get this out of the way. Leather. It's very dried out, but this is leather. Might be able to bring that back to life. And basically, you operate the latch like this, and that relieves the pressure on the lower part here. It hooks like that. I can then do that. Up. And then we get to find out what's in here. Hopefully empty air. And that's where you can put your stuff. And there's other cans with the similar profile, but they were actually used for toolkits, water tanks, for cooling jackets, etc. So this is for the MG3, you know, which is I guess a derivative of the MG42. So pretty cool. That's all I got. This is all from Varusteleka. Feel free to check them out. They always got stuff in and out in Finland. And thanks for watching.